through day and through night, no destination, just feeling alive. With these old companions we truly thrive. Oh, the midnight ramble, just like before, chasing the freedom we always adore. Laughter echoes, timeless sound, best damn memories safely unbound. Yeah, this open road, our sweet escape, friends forever, come what may, come what shape. Sunrise creeping paints the sky gold, another adventure story untold. Yeah, the midnight ramble etched in our souls, forever young as the highway railroad.